Whenever I speak to people who are interested in graphic design as a career, I inevitably get asked very similar questions. So today, we're diving into the topic of how to start your own design business. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this video will guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your graphic design venture. How do you start a successful graphic design business? At the very beginning, you should focus on research and planning. The first step is to understand your market, identify your niche, and analyze your competitors. This will give you a clear roadmap to navigate the industry. Understand the market and define your unique selling proposition. What distinguishes your service from others in the region? Next, consider your skills, and if you want to specialize in a specific area. Before you dive in, make sure you're proficient in key design tools like Adobe Creative Suite and familiar with essential design techniques. There are other software applications that also work well. Check out Affinity Designer and Publisher. A well-thought-out business plan is crucial. Outline your business goals, target audience, and financial projections to keep yourself on track. Create a memorable logo, business card, and online portfolio to make a lasting impression. If you need help with a website, leave a comment below and I'll reply. What components make up a good design? Your designs should cater to your target audience and align with their business goals. Less is often more. Clear, uncluttered designs communicate your message more effectively. Good designs are versatile and work across various platforms and mediums. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Unique designs capture attention and set you apart. How profitable is a graphic design business? Profitability varies based on specialization, client base, and pricing strategy. With a consistent client stream and efficient operations, your business can be highly profitable. Many graphic design businesses do very well, especially those that adapt to market changes, continually upgrade their skills, and maintain good client relationships. What do I need to start a graphic design business? Invest in quality software and hardware, like Adobe Creative Suite and a good computer and graphic tablet. Showcase your best work online to attract clients. A solid marketing strategy will help you attract and retain clients. Don't forget business registration, client contracts, and possibly business insurance. For more about this, stay tuned for my new guide that is coming soon. How do I start a graphic design business with no experience? Take online courses or attend workshops to build your skills. I will be detailing more about this on my blog. Work on personal projects or offer discounted services to build a portfolio. Connect with other designers and potential clients to grow your network. Always seek feedback to improve your work. Offer your services to local businesses or community events to get your foot in the door. A strong online presence through a website and social media is essential. Encourage satisfied clients to refer others to you. Word of mouth is the best free advertising. What are the basic laws of graphic design? Balance, contrast, alignment, repetition, proximity, there are many more, but start with these principles to create visually appealing designs and join my newsletter to learn more. What are the legal requirements for digital graphics? Ensure you have the rights to use images and fonts, understand licensing terms, and respect client confidentiality. What are the legal requirements for graphic design businesses in the UK? Register your business, understand VAT and income tax, and have clear contracts with clients. What is the best way to run the business in terms of workflow? Have a dependable process that includes client onboarding, design process, feedback loop, invoicing, and payment. Should I create a limited company or work as a freelancer? Consider your business goals, potential earnings, and risk tolerance when choosing your business structure. More information on this later in my guide that is coming soon. Sign up on my website to be first to find out when it is released. Head to vanessamcleod.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the